Hi. Today I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to replace your ugly candy cane style septic system vent with a good looking pagoda vent. I have a 2-foot moss green pagoda vent that I'm going to install. This is powder coated aluminum, made to last a lifetime, and it's easy to install. Anybody can do it. Basically, you want to cut off your standpipe 6 inches from the ground. You can use a hacksaw. I like to use a sawzall, it's a little quicker. That's all that takes. Pagoda vent comes with simple instructions. You basically just slide it over the standpipe. It secures in place with 4 self-tapping screws. You can use a screw gun or a screwdriver. Screw gun's easier. It only takes a few minutes. And again, the pagoda vent should last the life of your septic system. Probably outlive your septic system. That's all there is to it. You can find Pagoda Vents online at pagodavent.com and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.